While sustainable housing is becoming more common, it's rare to see a community of over 180 of them. I've been invited here to Norman Estate to visit with the team from Mainstream Electrical who are installing LG Energy Solution batteries. And I'm here to tell you, some of their installations are among the best I've ever seen. I'm with Anthony and Bowen from Mainstream Electrical, and Anthony, the homes in this estate are all beautifully built, but they're also really highly spec'd. What can you tell us about this one?
Yeah, they definitely are. This one is one of the biggest homes in the estate. It's got a large solar system, so we chose the LG Prime battery as it meets our design criteria and also the requirements of the developer and the homeowner. We've paired it with the GE hybrid inverter, which gives us a seamless storage package that we really love.
So tell me about the installations.
Yeah, well, the LG Prime is really simple to install. It's modular, so it's really easy to lift, and we can do it safely with 2 people. And it's even got a built-in battery isolator that we love. Once we've completed the install, commissioning of the battery is made easy through the LG Resu Monitor app. Then, the system is ready for the homeowner to take advantage, storing and using their own energy.
And Anthony, this bollard design is different to any that I've seen. How did you come up with that design?
The standard bollard gets mounted directly to a slab, but we couldn't do that with this slab because this one's got water tanks underneath.
Oh.
So we went through a few prototypes and we designed this wall-mounted system so that way it still protects the battery from car doors hitting the battery, but we can also work on the battery, remove the bollard, service whatever you need to service, then put it back together without causing any damage to the wall. And that was really important to the builder and also us.
It's a great idea and it looks great too.
Yeah, we love it.
And Bowen, what I've noticed is not only with the homes in this estate, but also your installations of LG Energy Solution batteries is that they're almost perfect.
Yeah, thanks Aaron, looks great. We worked close with the building and design team to ensure that the battery installation was aesthetically pleasing. As you can see, we've enclosed all visible cabling and conduits within this duct. Also, the battery and inverter are positioned in symmetry to ensure that it is visibly pleasing to the homeowner as they drive in and out of their driveway daily, in keeping up with the high-end design of the home.
It's really clear that LG have put a lot of thought into the design because it makes the installation really easy.
So what's your reason for installing LG home batteries?
Aaron, the reason why we chose LG home batteries for this development was the builder was looking for a high-end brand that would suit their criteria. As you can see, they've only installed high-end brands and appliances. We believe that LG was perfect for that. They have a streamlined package that looks great on the wall, also backed up by a powerhouse name. LG is a worldwide recognised brand. It provides a very good warranty for its batteries. It also provides a very good technical support, and that was 3 main things that we're looking for with this solution. The bonus on top was that LG's packages come in at a really great price point in the industry.
And the homeowners, are they saving money?
They certainly are, Aaron. We stay in close contact with all the homeowners here in the development. There's 180 people in here. What we're finding is that all the feedback is positive. We had one instance the other day that a homeowner received a $20 bill for their quarter, which was unbelievable. They're obviously utilising their battery in the right way because they're using that sunshine during the day to store that energy and then using that energy at night from their battery for their high demands.
And that's the way it should be.
It's perfect.
I'm really impressed by the extra effort and care that Mainstream Electrical have put into the installation of the LG 10H Prime battery. I also really love to hear how LG is helping people become more energy self-sufficient. After all, isn't that really what the world needs? To help as many people as possible, like these homeowners, LG Energy Solution will continue to bring you batteries that fit the requirements of a well-known high-end brand that are reliable and also come to you at extremely competitive pricing. And check out our range of batteries at lghomebattery.com.au. LG Energy Solution will always be there to back you up.